Yes, I'm Donato Akot Malek from northern Barkazal State. Today, rain rendered in northern Barkazal and destroyed our radio, the community radio, which is Akol Yam, is now destroyed by the rain. Today, we are in the offline. There's no way to receive our news, local news, national news. We are now begging the national government, the NGOs, other partners to run and construct our new radio, Akol Yam. We are begging to focus, and we are requesting our national government for what happened in our state, which is Akol Yam is now not working today up to onwards. Our state was connected by Akol Yam, but today Akol Yam is destroying and the state will be disconnected. There's no way or other opportunity to receive news anywhere crossing northern Barkazal state. It's not also focusing on Akol Yam, destroying everything in the northern Barkazal, is destroying houses, trees, other even in the market. Destroy the main station fuel, which is the new one in the Medingaul, and was the one who supported the community. Is now fall down by the rain. The rain is really very big and really very heavy today, but we thank God there's no anybody harm, just destroying the accommodation of the people and other like trees, like a fuel station, like Akol Yam now. We are now in Akol Yam crying for the disconnection of our news in the northern Barkazal state. Thank you.